Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to do a transparent text effect using Canva. Okay, so we're gonna go to elements and we're going to select this image. It's a beautiful woman applying makeup. Now we're gonna go to edit image. We're going to do background remover. We're going to adjust the size of the image. Now we're going to duplicate. You're going to go to text. You're going to add a text. We're going to change the color of this text, also the font. Let's adjust the size of the text, also the letter spacing. Now we're going to duplicate the text. We're going to change the background. Okay, so now we're going to go to positions. We're going to put one of the text behind her. Now we're going to select the first text. We're going to go to effects. We're going to use the effects hollow. We're going to turn the thickness down. I'm going to adjust this a bit. And there you have it. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to the channel for more.